Alright, so I'm gonna go out and start the dirt. Getting up. I think that ought to be enough onion. You don't put a lot of onion on your dogs, do you? Okay. Okay then.
You can do them right there on that grill.
We can do however. We can roast them, and the rest of them we can grill, whatever. Just a little bit of Worcestershire. Balsamic vinegar also works, but I like the taste of Worcestershire. Sprinkle of kosher salt. Make a little boat out of this. Finish up the sides. And then wrap it over and fold these under. The trick is, did I get it small enough for this grill? Unknown. It's probably going to take up about half of the grill. What I'm trying to do is get it to be the right size to where I can fit a few hot dogs in there at the same time and leave these just roasting on the coals. And then, of course, the last step is need a few vent holes here and there so it doesn't blow the foil apart. Little grill, doesn't need much charcoal. Easy peel. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. I don't know if I'd call this easy peel. I'm tearing a hole in the side of the plastic. And we're going to do some chicken and apple smoked sausage. That looks good. Owie. That's the veggies. I think we can get a couple more dogs in there. Hot dogs.
I can talk?
Sure. More dogs. Cover it up. Keep some of that heat and the good old smoke in there. And let it cook. I can smell the onions in that Worcestershire already. That doesn't mean they're spilling out at the bottom of my little gravy boat.
Whoa!
I'll sit in the big one and you can sit in this one.
Oh! Boy. Eu esperando um hot dog aqui com fome.
There you go.
A hot dog.
Sit in the middle right next to mine.
Não sei
Get in and out of that one easier.
fora com um grillzinho assando hot dog. E tu tá onde?
Better?
Yeah.
You can fit. It's your size.
It's a bedroom, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Big, full, big.
Foi no shopping, né?
Ooh, I'm ready to pull that foil off. Oh, they're plumping. They're plumping up. No, they're not ready, but they are plumping up. They're sweating. It's good. So that one. Oh yeah, that one's getting browned. Oh yeah, that one's already toasted. Split too. All right, so let's swap the positions here. Got one side really toasty. Those are gonna be mine. I like those. Right, I think this one is done. Oh yeah. And this one still has a little to go. Let's get these in here to enjoy some of that warm, toasty goodness. Oh yeah. And these ought to be done pretty good too. I don't worry about overcooking the tomatoes and all that stuff because they're sitting in their own bath of juices. So as long as you're not leaking out, let them roast. Ciao. Here's yours, babe. Well, that was doing good. That one's doing real good. Look at that. Oh, yeah, buddy. I think the second sausage is about... Yeah, that's done. I'll leave it for a minute on that side, but it's pretty much done. Okay, that's it for that sausage. She's ready. I think these dogs are ready. Yep. Some more, and throw these over there to get some of the fun. And I might want to turn those veggies the other direction, gently. Yeah, I'm going to move the dogs now. I dare touch that with my fingers. That would be a learning moment. Come on, open up, quit it, thank you. I don't want to tear the foil. Okay, there we go. My wife got tired of waiting on these, and she's grilling onions behind me on the other grill, and it smells fantabulous. Let's see how these are doing. Oh, hey, steam burn. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. Oh, those are looking great. Look at that. Oh, man. I mean, if she wants them more grilled, she can just warm them up over there on the grill behind me. But that is fantabulous. Can you guys smell that? Oh my God, it's incredible. Okay, well, she's assembling her dogs. I'm gonna assemble mine. And I'm gonna do one of these. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is gonna be some good stuff. Oh my God, that smells so good. The Worcestershire in there. Whoa. Okay. Bun, dog. Oh, look at that juicy goodness. Oh yeah. Topped with onions. I was gonna do mushrooms, but I didn't want to take the time to chop them. Let my wife do the chopping of this stuff while I was preparing the charcoal. Oh, goodness. And a dollop of sauerkraut on top. And then I'll finish it with some spicy mustard. That is a dog. Presentation, don't care. Gonna taste good. Stone ground mustard. Just a touch. Oh. Ah.